Super good morning, everyone. So I have great news for you guys. We got a smoothie orders, and everybody's been asking me how do we package our smoothies and how do they come. So I'm here today because we got some orders, and I'm gonna pack them with you so you can see. So this is how it comes, right? So this is our banana caramel French toast. So what it has 2 scoops of our banana caramel shake, which has like protein. And then it has 2 scoops of our protein drink mix, which has protein. And then we put, our caramel, dry syrup, and our banana creamy, right? So that's how we make them. And then we're gonna put this sticker because we do not want it to open in commute. We put it like this, and then we put our handy dandy label, says banana caramel. Put our label which says banana caramel French toast, and we put it right here so we can know. And this is how it comes, so it's very protected. And then we put it in our show the date. And then what we do is we send you the instructions. So the instructions are: you grab 16 ounces of ice, put it in the blender, 8 ounces of water, put it in the blender, and then put this whole packet in, because this is for one smoothie, right? Our instructions are still here. And then if you want to be more fancy, you can grab a nice little cup, and then we'll have you the drizzle. So we put caramel drizzle for this one because it's banana caramel French toast. And we have our topping, which is coconut. So we put the coconut in there. We make sure we close it, and then we seal it. We have our heat press. We're buying a better one. And right now we're putting coconut. But I just wanted to let you guys know that since we're getting TikTok orders, thank you so much. We actually invested in a dry fruit machine. So the toppings are actually gonna be the fruit. So if you're ordering mango pineapple, you're getting some mango and probably some type of drizzle, condensed drizzle. So we are so happy. And this is it. That's all we do. That's it. And that's how we pack it. And you have a smoothie to go. Thank you. 24 grams of protein, 21 essential minerals and vitamins that your body needs. And this is how we package it. So just so you guys know. Oh, sorry. Have a good day. Thank you for your orders. And this order, by the way, is for Taylor.